Welcome back to Technical Skills Learning. In this video, we are going to see how to check whether a number is prime or not. First of all, write the header file, then write main function. Now, we have declared the variables and constant terms which are going to used in this program. Then write printf and scanf. Through printf, through printf we can print any statement. Here we print enter the number. Then write scanf. Through scanf we can take any input in the variable n. Now we'll check the number is prime or not. To check it, we are using a for loop. The initial value of I here we declared 1, and last value of I equal to less than equal to n, and value of I will be incremented by 1 in every iteration. Then here we store then here in next line we have written RAM equal to n modulus I. Here we'll keep the modulus value in RAM. RAM you already declared as a variable as integer type. Whatever value we have taken in n, it will find the remainder value of n modulus I in RAM. Suppose if we take the value of n equal to 5, then it will keep n 5 modulus I. The initial value of I is here 1, then 5 modulus 1 equal to the remainder value will be 0. If RAM equal to 0, then it will increment the value of PC plus plus means PC plus 1. Here initial value of PC is declared 0, so the value will be now the value of PC will be 0 plus 1, that is now value of PC equal to 1. Now again it will go to the for loop. Now value of I will be incremented by 1. Now the value of I is 1. Now come to RAM equal to 5 modulus 2. Now value of RAM equal to 1. If RAM equal to, now condition will not match, then again it will go to the for loop. Now value of I will be 3. Now again it will come to RAM. Now 5 modulus 3. Again RAM equal to 1. Condition will not match. Now again it will go to the for loop. Now value of I will be 4. Now then come to RAM equal to 5 modulus 4. Again RAM equal to 1. Condition doesn't match. Now again it will go to the for loop. Now value of I will be 5. Again come to RAM equal to 5 modulus 5. Now value of I RAM equal to 0. Now condition will be match. Now RAM equal to 0, then it will increment the value of PC. The previous value of PC was 1. Now value of PC will be 1 plus 1, that now PC is 2. Then come to the next step. After this the for loop will not continue, because the last value of I is n, that is we have taken I n as a n was 5, and now value of I is also n 5, so the for loop will stop. Now come to if condition PC equal to 2. Yes, PC equal to 2, condition will match. Now print the number is prime. If this condition doesn't match, now it will go to the else statement, that is the number will not prime. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Technical Skills Learning.